Sifaan, how do you sum up that race? So close, but yet so far.
I really feel strong. Maybe that's why I'm gonna fall down. That's why I feel strong. I was really feel strong. Every laps, I feel really fresh, very strong. But it just the last moment, I think we touch each other with the girl, and I was like, I just see myself on the ground, and I was like, I was really shocked also. I was very shocked. But what can I do? Alhamdulillah, it's just, it's the way it is.
It's just one of those things. How did the race go yourself? Did you feel very comfortable going round? You seem to be going well and in control.
Yeah, I was really I was under control. Maybe I just also impatient. I couldn't go just the last 100 meter, but I was like impatient. But it's just, it doesn't matter what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fall down today. Maybe it is life. We have always up and down, and for me. When I get old, when I go look back, I want to see I did crazy stuff. I try everything, and sometimes it worked well. In Tokyo, it worked well, 2 gold and 1 bronze. Here it didn't work. That's all. I can only do, I try my best. Life happy always, life is always up and down.
That's an amazing attitude to have.
Exactly. What life make beautiful, also the up and down make life beautiful.
Well, thank you so much for your performance tonight. We hope to see you in Paris next year.
Thank you so much. Okay.